check this out. I'm outside my mama's car. And there was an ice storm last night. It was so cold. And watch this. This is not my mom's window. That's all ice. The whole thing is ice. Look, watch this. So I'm going to try something a little bit dangerous, but a little bit terrifying. I'm going to try and put Mom's keys in, and I'm going to try and open the wipers so we can put the ice out. So I'm going to try that right now. I don't think that'll be very safe, but I'm a little bit worried. So I'm in the driving thing. And this car is a Savera, and I'm going to try and put the keys in. And right now. Here we go. Oh, I can't do it. And now we're going to turn the wipers. And now and now I'm gonna try and put the ice off. So I'm gonna turn it on, okay? Okay, here we go. What? And I'm gonna try and do it now. So I'm gonna clear this off. And I'm gonna clear this, and I'm gonna clear the ice off. Ready? Go. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press subscribe and give a like. And so, I can't pull the keys out. So if you like this video, don't forget to press subscribe and give a like. And so bye, subscribe and give a like. So subscribe for more videos every day. So give this video a big thumbs up.